Did you know we subconsciously grind our teeth when we sleep? Hello, I'm dentist Zeynep and today I'll be talking about how teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, can lead to irreversible damage to our teeth. Teeth grinding can cause chips, flatten teeth, break down enamel, and even trigger long-term tooth sensitivity. It's like subjecting a continuously constant pressure to our teeth. So how do we protect our teeth? Introducing a night guard can help. It's a hard acrylic appliance and custom made for each patient. It's a comfortable appliance which we wear during nighttime to protect our teeth.